Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm giving you an honest review of Capital One. What to expect, what it's good at, where it could improve, and who it's best for. Capital One is a major bank and financial services company that offers a full suite of products, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, auto loans, business accounts, and investment options. One of the biggest strengths of Capital One is how easy it is to use their digital tools. Their mobile app and online platform are both clean, intuitive, and packed with features that make banking simple, from checking balances and depositing checks to managing credit cards and tracking rewards. If you're into credit cards, Capital One has some of the most popular options on the market. Cards like the Venture and Saver series are well known for strong travel and cashback rewards, easy redemption options, and straightforward bonus structures. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a cashback lover, or someone building credit, there's usually a Capital One card that fits. When it comes to everyday banking accounts, Capital One's checking and savings accounts are solid choices. Their accounts often come with no monthly fees and generous ATM access, which makes them a good fit for people who want simple, low-cost banking. You also get access to helpful features like early direct deposit, automatic savings tools, and helpful spending trends right in the app. Capital One's customer support and service tend to get mixed reviews. Some customers have great experiences with fast help over the phone or through secure chat, while others have run into longer wait times or varying responses depending on the issue. That's not uncommon with bigger banks, but it's worth noting if personalized one-on-one service is important to you. Another area where Capital One stands out is security. They offer tools like virtual card numbers for safer online shopping, real-time fraud alerts, and easy card freeze or unfreeze features right in the app, features that give you more control and peace of mind with your accounts. A few downsides are that interest rates on savings accounts aren't as high as some online-only banks, and some products like certain perks on credit cards require excellent credit to qualify. So if you're after the absolute highest savings rates or you're working with fair credit, there may be other options worth comparing. Overall, I think Capital One is a strong all-around choice, especially if you value tech-friendly banking, good credit card rewards, and flexibility. It may not always have the absolute highest rates or the most boutique service, but it delivers reliable digital banking and competitive products that work well for most people. That's it for this review. If this helped you learn more about Capital One, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want reviews of other banks or credit cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.